Okay, so the problem is a rectangle has a length that is 4 times its width. If the area of the rectangle is 100 square units, what are the dimensions of the rectangle? So let's draw a rectangle, just for reference. I'm not sure that's to scale, but that's the best I'm going to do for now. And for the sake of the problem, it has a length that is 4 times the length of its width. So length is 4w. Let's call this the width, and then the length would be the other dimension, which we know is, we could call it L, but we actually know in terms of w, so we only have one variable, that the length is 4 times the width. Right? Okay. And then we know the area is 100 square units. Let's put an A equals out here. And the formula for area is length times width equals area for a rectangle, right? So we can do the length times the width, which is 4w, our length, times another w, and that should equal our area, which is 100. Cool. To simplify this side of the equation, we get 4w squared. It's going to equal 100. When you're solving an equation, you're going to do pretty much the opposite of order of operations, which is PEMDAS, if you've heard that before, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So we actually want to do division before we do exponents, and those are the only two things we have to do here. So the first thing we're going to do is divide by this 4. Again, we're doing PEMDAS in reverse order because we're solving an equation, sort of undoing the order of operations. So now we have w squared equals, because the 4 cancels here, and w squared is going to equal 25. And the last thing we have to do is get rid of this squared. How you do that is to square root it, which is just going to cancel out the squared, cancel out the square root. What we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. So w is going to equal 5. And that's our answer to that one. So w is 5, so our width is 5, and our length is 4 times 5, which is 20. And so we got w, say L equals 20. And there it is. Another question down. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.